Hello, this is Micah Garcia on the homestead, and I'm going to show you guys a pig birth that we had trouble with, and we had to pull all of the piglets. So if you guys could hit that subscribe button and notification bell, helps out a lot. I'm going to be narrating some of it, and then my wife's going to be in the video explaining some of it as well. Couple side notes is this was her first birth and she was bred too young, so this isn't a normal situation on the farm here. So that first baby you see there, we had to pull that one before we had our cameras out. She had been pushing for quite a while here, so we decided we better check her again and make sure there isn't another stuck one.
So she has this little guy who's doing good. And she just got up again, but she's been pushing now for a little while and making no progress, so I'm going to go in again and see if I can help her out.
The soap my wife is using is just a 7th generation natural soap.
Good job, Mama. Good job. Good job. Did you get some water in there? Get some water in those lungs. Yeah, get it down. Come on, girl. Come on, push. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Push again. Come on. Give her a little bit longer. Come on, push, girl. Come on. Yep, keep pushing. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna keep 2 hands in here. Nope, maybe. I got it. I'd have 2 hands for that, and it was still hard. Back legs can be a sticker. Good job. Keep going. Keep breathing. Yeah. Comes another one. Let's breach again. See if she can get this one by herself. Come on, Mama. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, goodness. There you go. There you go. Get those breaths in. There you go. So these 3 have nursed. These ones just got there. Yeah. He's getting it. He's getting it. There he goes. There he goes. So this actually looks like probably a baby that didn't even, I'm just gonna leave it there, it's still attached. That didn't even form hardly. So that's what you call a mummified baby. It died early in gestation, and it's very, very tiny, and just the bones are left. Get your fingers in the baby. Yeah, there's another one right there. don't want to get, you don't, it's okay. You don't want to get a whole bunch of the tongues. There, that's good. Just right there. Until I tell you.
At this point, we started realizing like most of them were being stuck. So anytime she'd push for a little bit and then stop pushing, we would just go ahead and go in there and try to pull them out. And you can see that they are all pretty much stuck in there just a little bit, just enough to where she can't do it herself.
Mike, you can stop it. Push. It's easier if they come in first. It's just hard to grab them.
This piglet was stuck so far down, my wife could hardly even get her fingers around its mouth and head area. And so we went ahead and went and got a tool from our local vet to help us to pull it out.
If it would come, but it's so far back in there. If I have that, if it would just come up through. This makes me nauseated. So I had this in here. I was able to get the loop kind of past the piglet, but not far enough to get it around its girth. My arm is not small enough, so Micah David's going to give it a go.
Go. All the way around. Okay.
Put that soap all the way up your arm.
He wasn't too excited at first, but actually at the end he was like, hey, that was pretty fun.
That's good.
I can feel the piglet.
Okay.
Try to push it around the piglet.
It's hard. Just do what you can.
Stick though. And past her bones. You can
Yes.
feel the piglet.
What can you feel of the piglet? Could you get your hand around its head like this? Like if you
Yeah.
grabbed it like that?
Okay, do that and try to pull
Okay,
it.
try to do that. It's okay, girl. It's okay.
It's not budging. This thing's kind of in the way.
You can pull that out if you think you could do better without it.
So that's what that thing looks like. That giant head.
Or even, does it need flipped?
Its chin is down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is its
What?
feet?
Its feet are fine, I think, even if they're coming with the head.
Is its feet forward?
Yeah.
Should he try to get its feet back?
No.
Try to just get your finger around its head and try to
Try and get your
pull.
fingers and
Wiggle it, like twist it back and side to side and stuff.
still not coming through.
When she pushes, you can kind of just come with it.
I have it like behind of its ears.
Perfect. Can you get its nose coming out? And then you could just pull with all your might. Pull as hard as you can. You're not going to hurt her.
I want you to kind of follow this. I'm going to help push this in. I want you to follow this around, down. And then I want you to start with this and start just trying to push it around the piglet and around its front legs and its head and try to get it behind its ears, okay? Oh, maybe try to put it back over it after you get it under it.
I'll tell you if he starts pulling.
Okay. It's behind its ears, I think.
It's okay.
Pretty sure. Yeah. And it's got its legs too.
Okay, so can you hold it back there?
Hold
If
it
Daddy
behind
pulls.
its ears is the main part, and then I'll slowly pull it. Okay? You got it?
So
Tell Daddy if you need him to stop.
Is it around it?
okay, stop. Okay.
Okay, so if you take your arms out, is the wire behind the ears and the front leg, like around this area?
Where?
Like right around the...
I don't know. Can't
Well, I got
feel
something. Because it's not coming out.
I think it's like around its head and around right here on one foot or both feet. I can't tell.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure got it around the head and like it's past its ankle.
It's okay, girl. It's okay. It's okay, you're right. It's okay. It's okay.
Let me get in there. Hold it. Tight.
Dr. Thrasher said you won't break her bones. He says you can pull as hard as you can and it doesn't matter.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, praise the Lord. Whew. You got it, sweetheart. Micah, David, give me 5, buddy. We couldn't have done it without you. Nice work. Probably not. Well, it's breathing. Yep, it's taking births.
Come on, little buddy. Whew.
He was beat
You
up.
had it
Poor
perfect.
guy. You had it perfect. With the
Except
one leg.
You lost a leg, but that's good.
Oh, we got him.
Come on, little buddy.
You did it.
Lost the
Yeah,
leg?
there we go.
What do you mean?
He just didn't have one leg in.
One leg in. It was wrapped around right here. Right there. Poor fella.
He's alive.
He's all wore out.
Goodness. Thank the Lord. Good job, girl.
Good job, Micah.
Now hopefully that's her last. Well, there's her.
Some of the placenta came out, so I'm hoping it is last.
I know it was trying to come out when my hand was in there.
Who's Amy?
I don't know if I would have been strong enough to pull her.
I don't know. That was hard.
Mine has
We're gonna get her up.
Mine has 6 females. Or 6 males and
Better
3 females.
get some water.
So it's small.
She's been down for a while.
6 males
There you go,
and
girl.
3 females.
Here's some water. Really? Wonder if she drinks some milk. She might drink some milk better and give her some energy. Okay, we brought some whey in.
No.
Here it is.
Hey, maybe she'll.
Hey. No.
Hey, Judah. Hey, Judah.
Okay. Let him go.
They want their mommy. We'll have to go get some antibiotics for her.
Yeah.
I can run up and get that this morning because we were in her a lot. We don't want her getting infected.
I thought you meant
Come on, girl.
Hey, get this.
Lay down here a little better.
Let me see. Can you see? Can I see it? Wow. Yeah, it's all white.
I'm just sitting here making sure she's not pushing anymore, and she just gave one big push and all this came blowing out. There's another mummified one here, but praise the Lord, I think she's done. We were gone for a few hours. I'd come in here. It's okay, girl. It's okay. I don't know if she's been up. She's lively. We're gonna get her up and get her drinking some water. She doesn't want to leave the hut. There you go. There you go. Get something to eat. She didn't look like she'd been up. No, the babies are doing well. The little one that was stuck so badly still has a bit of a mark around her neck.